Hello everyone, my name is Victor. I'm here with cultmyk, and today I'm going to show you how to make this candy effect on Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin. So here I have a 1920 by 1080 artboard, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a background. So type in the letter M on my keyboard and just click on anywhere. I'm going to do 1920 wide by 1080 pixels high. So I am going to hit OK. And then I'm going to align it to the artboard, and then I'm going to align horizontal and vertically. Now type in the letter I on my keyboard. I am going to eyedrop this color, and that color is all done. So now the next thing I'm going to do is go to my layers, and then I'm going to create a new layer on top of that. The next thing I'm going to do is select one of these two colors by pressing the letter I on my keyboard and just clicking on one of the two colors. Now I'm going to use my ellipse tool by typing the letter L on my keyboard, and then right in the middle I'm going to hold down Option Shift, and then I'm going to drag out to make a circle. After the circle is done, type the letter R on your keyboard for the rotation tool. Alternatively, you can just click on this icon on the left, then hold down Option and you will click on the anchor point on the bottom. Now this is going to rotate it however many degrees you want. What we want for this tutorial is to rotate it 15 degrees and then hit copy. After you copy the shape, go back to your selection tool and then select both shapes. Then go to your pathfinder tool on the right hand side, and then you're going to subtract the shape on the top. With that shape selected, type the letter R on your keyboard, hold down Option and click on the anchor point at the bottom. You're going to also do 15 degrees, and then you're going to hit copy. Now with that selected, type the letter I on your keyboard and you're going to get the eyedropper tool and get the second color. And now you have these two shapes. Now go back to your selection tool and select both shapes. Once they are selected, type the letter R again and hold down Option and click on the anchor point at the bottom again. After that, you're going to do 30 degrees on here and hit copy. Without clicking anywhere, hold down Command and then type D. And then you're going to do that a few more times, Command D, until you close the circle. Lastly, I'm just going to select everything and do Command G to group them, and now you have a single shape. Now you can just resize it and make whatever adjustments you'd like. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.